in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to release kind of your shoulder muscles as well as the muscles between your shoulder blades, which are, we call them the scapular muscles or the shoulder blade muscles. We're going to start with those. All right, so what I want you to do is we need a foam roller for this, a longer one, and again, I want you to choose the right density for you. What I'm going to do, open my hands up and let the roller rest between my shoulder blades. All right, first thing I want to do here is just relax and rest. All right, just let gravity pull me down. Okay, and we're just going to do a couple, two different things here. Our first one is just going to be kind of called snow angel. So I take a deep breath in, exhale, and I just move my arms up and down. And you'll find, especially for me, my left arm has a tough time staying on the ground. I'm just going to slide up as high as I can and lower down as far as I can. One more time, deep breath in, slide up as high as I can, lower down as far as I can. All right, so try a couple minutes of that. Then we're just going to go from side to side here. So I'm letting my arms kind of come to the side, take a deep breath in. I'm going to exhale. I'm just going to roll to one side and come back. Again, deep breath in. Exhale. I roll to one side and come back. And then I'm just going to do the other side. So same thing, deep breath in. Exhale. Roll to the other side and come back. Deep breath in. Roll to the other side and come back. All right, so once I get that, once I've kind of worked on those muscles, two key areas in our shoulders, which would be the front of our shoulder, which is called our pec minor, as well as our rotator cuff, which is going to be the back of the shoulder. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this in standing as well in our next video, and that might be a little bit more impactful for you, just because this can be quite hard. But what I want to do is I'm going to come onto the ground here, and I'm going to put the ball kind of in my in the crease between kind of my collarbone and my shoulder, and just find the spot that hurts. Okay, and again here, I want to make sure that this, when I say hurt, I mean this is like maybe 4 out of 10, 5 out of 10. It's not super like killing me. If I feel any tingling or numbness, then I want to stop, obviously. What I can also do is I take my arm and I cross it behind my back here. It's going to make that, going to kind of bias that area. Again, I'm just sinking in, and as I'm doing this, I'm just breathing. Inhaling, exhaling, just letting this sink in. Inhaling, exhaling, just letting that sink in. All right, so for the back of our shoulder, what I want to do is I'm going to take the ball and I'm going to put it kind of between the crease, between my armpit. So it's like right behind my armpit. It's like in this region here. I'll get a little closer so you can see me here. It's like right there. I'm going to take the ball, and again, I'm just going to find a spot that's sore or tight. Again, it should be a 4 out of 10. It shouldn't be a 10 out of 10. If it is, then we're going to take it to the wall, and I'm just going to move my arm in and out. Okay, that's just going to sink into that muscle. Again, let it relax some. Breathe into it. Breathe in. Exhale. Let it sink in. Breathe in. Exhale. Let it sink in. And those are our areas on the floor. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to do this in standing.